Entering numbers and text into a cell. Select the cell with the reference C3. You are now able to type a word in the cell. Let's type the word, how? Now press the Enter button. You will automatically drop down to the next cell with the reference C4. Let's type the number, 2. Now press the Enter button. You will automatically drop down to the next cell with the reference C5. Let's type the word, channel. Now press the Enter button. You will automatically drop down to the next cell with the reference C6. Adding a column with numbers. It's important to know that by default, text is aligned within a cell to the left, while numbers are aligned within the cell to the right. As you can see, we have captured on the spreadsheet the different department and their spend. The departments are sales, marketing, finance, and legal. In column C, we have captured their spend. For sales it is 10,678. For marketing it is 76,548. For finance, it is 98,067. And for legal it was 43,290. Now let's click on cell B8. And let's type in the word total. And press Enter. What we are going to do now is to add up the spend for all the departments. In other words, we would like to add the values from cell C4 to cell C7 to get the final total. To do this, click in cell C8, where we would like the total to appear. Now click on the Autosum button, which you will find in the top right of the Excel workbook. Now click on it. As you can see, Excel has now selected all the numbers from cell C4 to cell C7. To add these numbers, press Enter. You will now see the total of all the above numbers added. The best thing about Excel is that if you make changes to the numbers, then the total calculation is automatically updated. Let's change the marketing spend. Click on cell C5 and enter 87,450. Press Enter. You can now see that the total amount has changed. Want to know more? Then subscribe to the How To channel and find out how to navigate Office 365.